If you're looking for a high-quality VR headset, the Oculus Rift S is definitely worth considering. We've had a great experience with the Oculus Rift S. The top VR gaming library is definitely a highlight, with a vast selection of games and exclusives to choose from. The improved optics also make a noticeable difference, with bright and vivid colors that enhance the overall experience. The ergonomic design of the headset is also a plus. The Halo headband is easy to adjust, and the headset stays securely and comfortably in place even during fast-paced games. However, the requirement to log in with a Facebook account may be a turnoff for some users. Additionally, while the improved optics are great, the resolution still has room for improvement. Finally, the Oculus Rift S is only compatible with PCs, so if you're looking for a standalone VR headset, this is not the right choice. The pros are: the top VR gaming library. With the Oculus Rift S, you can play hundreds of games and exclusives already available in the Oculus Store, with so much more to come. Improved optics. The next-generation lenses and a sharper display deliver bright, vivid colors and reduced screen door effect, making the experience more immersive. Ergonomic design. The Halo headband is redesigned with speed in mind, making it easy to securely and comfortably keep the headset in place. The cons are: Facebook account requirement. The Oculus Rift S requires a Facebook account to log in, which may be a deal-breaker for some users. Limited resolution. While the improved optics are great, the resolution still has room for improvement. Limited compatibility. The Oculus Rift S is only compatible with PCs, so if you're looking for a standalone VR headset, this is not the right choice. Overall, if you're looking for a high-quality VR headset for PC gaming, the Oculus Rift S is definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind the limitations mentioned above.